Hello everyone. So in previous video we are done with the table tag which is tr, th and all that things. Okay. This is all about the column span, but we'll first check the output of this and then we'll understand this code properly. Okay. So output of this is something like this, that you have two columns, name and number. Okay. And name, like obviously one name, it can be any name, but number, obviously if I have two mobile phones or two sim cards, I can have two different numbers also. So how to split? Like this, heading will be one only, but two numbers for this person, two numbers for this person. So how to do this? This is column span. And then in next video we will have a row span. Okay. So uh first of all, that is first row. Okay, we have table headings which is name and number. Name, we do not have any column span, but number, yes, we do have column span. So how to write and where to write, it is very important. So first of all, table row indicates first row. Okay, and th indicates it is obviously first heading. And number, we require column span and we require two columns answer. So that's why we are writing column span equal to 2, because whatever data you will enter for this heading, it will be 2 data, not 1. But for name, it will be only one name. Okay, so that is all about first row. We are done there with that first row. Second row, it will be the actual data, but total 3 data, because one is name and two nothing but for what? Number. So this is number and one more number. So we are done with the second row. And same way, we have third row. Okay, where we have name and two numbers and then close of table tag. So control S, and let's check the output again. So we are getting output like this. Thank you everyone.